Memphis rapper Big Scarr has passed away at age 22. This was confirmed by Gucci Mane in a touching tribute on his Instagram account. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Memphis-born rapper Big Scarr has reportedly passed away at age 22, with fellow musician Gucci Mane confirming the sad news in an emotional tribute on his Instagram account. Big Scarr, whose real name is Alexander Woods, was part of Gucci Mane's 1017 Records, and rumors first circulated about his passing on Thursday evening. No official statement has yet been provided by the local police surrounding the news about his death. The cause of his passing is currently unknown and no confirmation has been given by the police. Gucci Mane took to his Instagram account and made this post. "This hurt." Gucci Mane wrote underneath a carousel of snap that features the Memphis native rapper, adding that "I'm gonna miss you," and then he tagged at Big Scarr. Big Scarr was born on April 7th in the year 2000 and grew up on the south side of Memphis. He started his rap career in the year 2019 when he released his song Make a Play, which quickly garnered him popularity on YouTube. Big Scarr was signed by Gucci Mane's label in 2020. He is most well known for his mixtape entitled Big Grim Reaper, which released in 2021 with a deluxe edition the following year. The tape featured at number 25 on the Billboard 200 and sold 22,000 copies in its first week. The death comes after the killing of two other Memphis rappers, Young Dolph and Snotty Wild. Young Dolph was killed on November 2021, while a Memphis rapper, Snotty Wild, was shot in February while in Houston. Over the past several years, Big Scarr has been one of the hottest rappers out of Memphis, signed to the Gucci Mane's 1017 record label and quickly gained an even bigger following. Big Scarr following has been huge lately, as currently has over 928,000 followers on his Instagram account. He was also said to be a special guest on an upcoming tour. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story, and we just want to take this opportunity to send our condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching.